Here's a room tour of 8543, an interior room on the Utopia of the Seas. All right, when you walk in, look at this layout. This layout is amazing. You got the couch, you got the desk area, you got this little shelf here, plenty of drawers. You got the little refrigerator cooler. You got plenty of charging. You got the international, plenty of 110s. You got a USB-C and a USB. So it looks like you got 3 110s, 2 internationals, a USB, and a USB-C. Turn right here. You got the bathroom. It's got the nice glass enclosure. Royal Caribbean only does the all-in-one stuff, so I highly recommend you bring your own shampoo and all that good stuff, because like I said, it's all-in-one. For storage, you got the 3 shelves. You got the understorage. That's the bathroom. Behind door number 1, you have a nice little closet where you hang all your clothes. All right, then continuing on, like I said, you got the couch. Behind this door, we have plenty of shelvings, a safe. The safe is not very deep, so if you have an iPad, maybe, but it's very small. And then to the right of the bed, you got a little bookshelf. You got a USB-C and a 110 plug. Here's the telephone. This lamp has the same as well. So, yeah, it's USB chargers. I said USB-C, but I think it's just USB. There's the bed. Let's check this bed out. Let's just check it out. See how comfortable it is. The bed is so comfortable. So Royal Caribbean definitely upgraded the beds. This is going to be a nice room for the weekend. So this is an inside tour, 8543. Check it out.